Next in line, get started with Power BI. Let us understand the user interface. Okay, the user interface, let us understand, let us see. Okay, there are three core views to a Power BI interface. What are those three core views? It is reports, okay, it is data view, report view, data view, and model relationship view, which is called model view. Okay, you'll see on the left hand side there are three icons. These are these form the three main core views of your Power BI interface. Okay, the centerpiece is your report canvas, where you visualize all your reports and analytical insights through various visualization tools. On the right hand side, you see all the default visualization tools which are readily available in Microsoft Power BI. On the right hand side, this comprises of all your data what you have what you have imported into Power BI, and all the data you can see as tables and fields. Okay, through which, based on these data fields, you're going to create all such beautiful, fantastic, and interactive reports in Power BI. Okay, we have the user main over here. We'll see ahead, going ahead. Okay, in continuing to understand the user interface, it's very important to understand the connection between the three views of Power BI: the report view, the data view, and relationship, which is through a model view. Okay, in the data view, you get to see the data sets. Okay, and where you get the data, you import the data from any data source. It can be Excel, Power BI, SQL Server, Access database, or any of your website or a SharePoint. Okay, so you connect to your data source, and through Power Query Editor, you shape and transform your raw data. Okay, this is what it is called, the data view, and in a Power Query Editor. Okay, so you connect, shape, and transform your raw data, and then you build the second is you build a relationship between various tables. Okay, to create a data model that happens in your through your model view, where you create relationship between the tables. Okay, what are this relationship and tables, and how to create them, then we'll see in our forthcoming tutorials. Okay, after you have created the relationship, it's time to create and design interactive reports using various visualization tools available in Power BI. Okay, you design interactive reports to explore and visualize the data and get the business insights based on various visualization for decision making. All right.